In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, Rayan, let's go find letter wow first today. Okay, so let me tell you something about letter wow. This letter wow does not know how to hide. Letter wow, you will never see letter wow hiding. It's always going to be there, right there. Sometimes it's going to be joining with maybe this part, with maybe this part here, okay? But that's not it, okay? It's just going to be right there. So you want to go find that letter wow. Okay, you want to play the bouncy ball game? Or you want to play the bubble gum game?
Um, the bubble gum.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so we need wow. Let me write wow for you here. So, wow. Okay, let's go. We need wow. When you see the wow, you have to say wow. When you see the wow, you have to say wow. I'm about to eat it.
Wow.
Oh, that is the first wow. Okay, so the wow can be here also. Okay, it's kind of joining from one side. See this one side, it can also join from one side. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Find me more wow.
Wow.
Yes, that is the wow. Good job. Good job. There can be a lot of wows in one line.
Wow.
Yes, good job. Okay, so we see these. Let's go, let's go. Let's go see wow, another wow. Maybe we see another wow. Keep looking, keep looking. No wow in this line. Okay. Let's go, Rayan. Let's go, let's go.
Wow.
Wow, I ate that one almost. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Wow.
Wow, yes, that is wow. Okay, keep looking, keep looking. Rayan, see something.
Wow.
See something, Rayan.
Wow.
Oh, okay, letter wow is there. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Yes. Okay, there can be a lot of tons of wows everywhere. Okay, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. Huh? No wow in this line. Okay, so that was letter wow. That's easy. So
See
let's
another wow in one line.
there is another wow in the next line. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, can I circle it?
Go ahead, circle it. Go ahead, circle it.
I'm gonna like do this graph.
Yeah, that's a wow. Good job.
And also this.
Yeah, mashallah, good job. So what we saw in the wow, wow does not know how to hide. And there are tons of wows everywhere and they don't know how to hide. Okay, so that's a wow. Put a spotlight on the wow. That's a 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 wow. Letter wow. Okay, that's easy. So it was very easy to find the wow. And it's easy to find the Hamza also. Let's go. Okay, find me all the Hamzas. I'll let you mark the Hamzas. Go ahead. Put a cross, put any symbol on your only Hamza. Let's go, let's go. Find Hamza, find Hamza.
Okay.
Let's go find
I
Hamza.
wanna play the bouncy ball now.
Okay, you want to play with the bouncy ball thing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Bouncy ball. What color do you want the bouncy ball?
Black.
Black? Okay, let's go. Black bouncy ball. Okay, here is a black bouncy ball. Okay, so what do we want? We want Hamza. Hamza. Hamza is
Little Hamza.
little, tiny, and alone. Guess what? Sometimes there can be very few Hamzas. Okay, let's clear the board. We don't need wow anymore. We already know how to find wow. Okay, let's go quickly, quickly. Where is Hamza? Where is Hamza? Hamza. Whenever it comes, you let me know. Is this Hamza? Yes, no.
No.
No, it's big. It's touching another letter. It's not Hamza. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna go very quick, very quick, very quick. Where? Keep looking.
Well, little tiny Hamza.
Hakim, yes. So it's little, it's tiny, and it's alone. Okay, that is Hamza. Yes, that is Hamza. Go ahead. You can
I
mark.
shall play it with my thing.
Yes, mark it, please. Mark it. Down, point.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, do it, do it.
Okay.
Yes, that's Hamza. Okay, let's go, let's go. We need to find another little tiny Hamza. Okay, keep looking, keep looking. Bounce, 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 bounce. Hey, did I miss it? Let's go again. I missed it. Yeah, that one. Good job. So you knew it. Good job. Okay, bounce, bounce, bounce. Hey, I found a Hamza.
That's big.
That's big. That's not Hamza. I was just trying to trick you. Okay. Okay. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay. Bounce, 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 bounce. Hey, there is no other Hamza. There are just two Hamzas. One is right here and one is right here. Okay. Good job. Two Hamzas. That's how you find a Hamza. So Hamza was easy. Wow is easy. No big deal. It was too easy to find a wow. It was too easy to find little tiny Hamza. Okay, now guess what? The letter Ya is what we need to find. Okay. Okay.
Where's letter yeah?
Yeah, letter Ya. Okay, letter Ya. Let's go see the tricky.
Yeah, how?
Yeah, the Ya can hide as a whole big Ya. Okay, so let's see how many ways a Ya can hide. Okay.
Or I can hide with the big one without two dots.
Yes, the Ya can hide as a big Ya.
I found it.
You found it?
found
Okay.
one.
Or the Ya
Oh,
can
I found another Hamza.
Yes, or the Ya can hide as two dots down, or something even more important. I'm going to show you one other way a Ya can hide. You want to know one other way?
It's Rabia, I just marked one.
Okay, good, good. Very nice. The Ya can also hide with his body, okay?
Okay.
So these are the different ways. Okay, good job. Go ahead. Mark me and every single Ya you see. Okay, you can go mark me. Okay, that's the Ya. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, good, good, good.
I
That
made a bouncy ball.
okay, yeah, bouncy ball is okay, good.
I didn't move it.
How do you move it? Okay, I'll move your bounce ball. Okay, so find me letter Ya in this line. Find me letter Ya. Find me letter Ya. Where is Ya?
Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah.
That is letter Ya. Good job. Okay, let's go find another letter Ya. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna make like a couple of these things. Okay, so we are just trying to find a Ya. Okay, let's see if we can find a Ya in the first line. Where is Ya? There's Ya in here? Okay, let's go here. Okay, 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 okay. No Ya in here. Okay, no Ya in here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Is there any Ya in here? Oh, what's this, Rayan?
Yeah.
It's here. Good job. So we found letter Ya, which were the two dots down ones. Hey, but I need to find a full big Ya. Let's go turn to another sheet. Let me go turn to another sheet. Let's just a second. Okay, we were finding letter Ya. Okay, now hold on, hold on. I am going to show you first. Rayan, let's go find the whole entire big Ya. So you're going to find a Ya without the dots, but it's going to be a big Ya. Okay, ready for that? Let's go. Now, what kind of a Ya are we finding, Rayan? A big Ya.
A big one.
Yeah, with its
Look
full
at my
body. Yes, full body. It's doing a bad job hiding. No dots, okay?
And
Okay,
do my
let's
bouncy
go.
ball.
Let's go. Yeah, you bouncy ball? Okay, fine. Let's
My
go.
bouncy ball's right here.
Okay, your bouncy ball. Okay, I'll go do it with yours. Okay, here. Okay, let's go find the big letter. Yeah. Okay, come on. Are you ready? Are you ready? Full big yeah. Full big letter yeah. Bounce, bounce.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, letter yeah is right here. Let's
Not
write.
touching anybody.
Yeah, that's the yeah. Yeah, this time the yeah is really alone. It's a full big yeah. Okay, with
It's
its
like Hamza.
yeah, it's like so letter ya can come alone also. It can come with two dots or it can come alone also. It can come with these two dots or a whole big body. That's ya. Okay, let's go find the two dots. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bounce, bounce. Which letter is this? Letter, two dots down.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, let's go find letter Ya in here. Get ready, get ready. Where is letter Ya? What's this? Yeah, you marked it. You are correct. That's letter Ya. Good job. Ryan even found it before me. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go see another Ya. Okay. Hey, this line. Come on, mark a Ya in this line. Let's go, Ryan.
Let me just mark it.
Where's, yeah, this one. Good job. That's a Ya. Very nice. Okay. Okay. How about this line? There's a Ya in this line.
Hold on. Okay. How's there yaw in this line?
Yeah, two dots down, two dots down. Yeah, that one. Okay, good job. Okay, now let's find a Ya, which is very tricky. It hides without the head. What? It hides without the head, just the body of the Ya. Are you ready to find a Ya that's only the body of the Ya, no head? Okay, let's go find that one. Okay, hold on.
I did it.
Okay, so now
I'm done.
the time to find a Ya with the body. Okay, so Rayan, first we found a Ya with the whole entire body. Then we also found a Ya with just the two dots down. Now it's the time to find another Ya, which is the body of the Ya. No head, no dots, just the body of the Ya. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm going to go find it. 1, 2, 3. Where is it? It's right here. Okay, Rayan, look. Do you think it's the body of the Ya? No head?
Oh my God.
Yeah, you see this one? So sometimes the Ya can be body of the Ya, no head. Okay, that's also one of the one. Okay, let's see. Do I see any other? So any other Ya, which is just the body of the Ya? Okay. Okay, so one Ya. Let's find one Ya with the dots. Okay, one Ya only with two dots down. That's the way the Ya can hide. That's the way a Ya can hide. And the Ya can hide in the first line. Ya is hiding right here also. Okay. Hey, is this Ya? Is this letter Ya, Rayan?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Yes, you know it. Okay. Good job. MashaAllah. So we are done with finding letter Wow, letter Hamza, letter Ya. Letter Ya did a lot of tricks, played a lot of tricks, but we know how to do it. Good job. See you inshallah next class.